Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
Here we present the 5 best handheld steamer. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Rowenta Dr 8080 Powerful Handheld Garment and Fabric Steamer. Available in a variety of powers, we have chosen the impressive 1500 watt model as our best handheld garment steamer. This offers 26 grams a minute of steam and is ready to go within 40 seconds, impressive for any type of steamer. The metal faceplate is heated to help smooth over any stubborn wrinkles, and it can be used on a wide variety of materials no matter how delicate or thick. Refilling the 6.76 ounces tank is easy as it can be done directly from the sink, and this gives the user 10 minutes of continuous steam to work with. Number 2. URPOWER Updated 180 ml Steamer for Clothes. With a capacity of 180 ml, it is more generous than a lot of the competition, and because of the reasonable price, it is a popular product. The comfortable handle and simple operation make it a good introduction to steaming garments, and it heats within 2 minutes. The compact size ensures it can go wherever the user chooses to travel, but it is also easy to store at home and fine to use on stubborn wrinkles. It comes with a heat-resistant glove to make it safer to use in comfort. Number 3. Sunbeam Handheld Garment Travel Steam Press. A handheld garment steamer that ticks all the right boxes. It can be used on garments, bedding, and a variety of upholstery, but also removed odors. The fast heating means it can be used in around 45 seconds, and a full water tank will provide 15 minutes of continual steam, a generous amount for a handheld product. Its wide press bar is useful for pushing tough wrinkles out and also offers a wide steam coverage. Because it has a sturdy base, it can stand up on its own, so because of this and its compact size, it is ideal for travel. Number 4. Conair Xtreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer with Dual Heat. An excellent option for anyone on a budget, this is a convenient to hold handheld garment steamer that has dual heat options. With concentrated steam, it gets 30% hotter than a lot of the competition and takes just 75 seconds to heat. This makes the 15 minutes of continual steam even more impressive, so there is plenty of time to work out tough wrinkles. There is an energy-saving steam pause feature or a continual steam option, and a removable water reservoir making it easier to refill. Number 5. Conair Turbo Xtreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer. Another impressive product from Conair is its Turbo Xtreme model that provides 50% more steam at 50% higher temperatures. This of course results in a faster steaming experience, partly thanks to the 1550 watts of power. Also, this handheld garment steamer heats up in an incredibly fast 40 seconds and manages to provide around 15 minutes of continual steam. A turbo and steam button are making it capable of removing deep wrinkles on a variety of materials. We like that it comes with 3 removable attachments, including a bristle brush and a silicone band to hold everything in place.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.